well, so keeping by my whole, I do these reviews. So on Netflix, there is this show called, it's a series of just like I think 4 episodes. That's it. It's called Madam C.J. Walker. It's about one of the first, in fact, the first Afro American millionaire in America. She like it was set in like 1908, and she had set up this particular hair product company. So eh, I mean, it's her story really, and she's a single mom who kind of uh, decides to improve her lot in life, and that's how she sets up her own little hair product company. And you should watch it. Yeah, it's on Netflix. I mean, I don't even want to speak about it so much because I think I'll get emotional. It is so well made. The cast of the characters are also, it's a brilliant show, so you should just watch it. It's on Netflix. It's called Madam CJ Walker. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.